All right, I'm gonna show you how to program your garage door opener, the one that is installed in your vehicle. This is a 2020 Tundra. It's a Homelink. So you need your remote right here that's already programmed, and I'm gonna show you how to program the one in your vehicle. Real simple to do. First, what you wanna do is get in your vehicle here, and what you wanna do is locate these buttons. You got buttons 1, 2, 3. These are your garage door opener buttons. So I'm gonna program this one. First, you wanna hit the button. See that light blinking right there, orange? And you take your remote control and hold it about 2 to 3 inches away from it and hold it down until it starts blinking green rapidly. Okay, there you go. Let it go. All right, let's push it and see if it works. Oh, there you go. It worked the first time. So that's all to it. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and program this third one also. So I'm gonna push it, and I'm gonna hold this button. Oh, that one was faster that time. I'm gonna let it go. And let's try it and see. Oh yeah, we're in business. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.